Oma, what is coming is not of chaos. Just apply caution.
What could that be? Whatever it is, I am prepared. I feel strange lately, and I don't know why.
I understand your plight. This community has been through a lot for quite some time now.
My role was to interpret the world. You are becoming the one who writes it.
This is not an honor. It is a burden.
I can't take it. I still need you around. I can't do it alone. Everything will be fine again.
Help! Help me!
Why are you crying, child? Who are you with?
Feel the ancient spirits of the river.
It's so beautiful.
Now, accept this gift. It is yours to carry.
She doesn't control, she guides.
What was that?